In this video, I'll go through the all-important planning stage. Everything hinges on how well you do here. The more effort spent on planning ensures a smooth build. I started the process 12 months before getting the van. The van itself took 6 months from the time of order to delivery. I took advantage of this time to rough out and improve my design, documenting my ideas and also getting a budget together of what I was going to need and when. I kept a folder of all the websites and components I wanted. On top of that, getting hold of a van that was the same as what I ordered was near impossible. In fact, there wasn't even a front-wheel drive available in the country, even find a picture of the interior was proving very difficult. What I was able to get hold of though were the tech specs. See the link below. I also kept a spreadsheet that I would use for tracking budgets, expenditure and weights throughout the build. I even went to the extent of using project software to track the build steps and manage dependencies. All of this proved invaluable and I would highly recommend you follow the same process. For the design, I first modelled it on paper with a rough drawing, then applied that into Sketchup to envision it in 3D. Using Sketchup enabled me to see what would work and what definitely wouldn't. Because I didn't have the real thing to play with, it allowed me to get a rough idea of the dimensions I could work with for sizing of solar panels for the roof space, and even placement of cupboards and drawers. Now that I knew what the dimensions were going to be, I used masking tape to roughly outline the components to get a feel for the space I was going to work with.
Okay, this is a step to go step and walk into. Oh, look, it's a lot of space and Charlie's here. I can sit in here. Yes, really good. Charlie, come with me. Why are you not coming? Say, it's nice. Ooh, say hello. Hello. Someone's take a video of us. It's nice. Okay, so here is the kitchen. Well, like lots of space. You go outside so I can sleep in the bed. Ah, that's really good. Like this.
So you fit very well.
Yeah, I feel perfect. It's really comfortable.
Once we got the van, I reapplied these measurements to it. It was here that I had to make adjustments to the kitchen cabinet because what I had for the entry was too narrow.
Van. So this is the doorway. So we can enter this doorway. And this part is our seat. So we all marked it. And this is wardrobe above. And here is the bed. Kitchen is in here. Kitchen.
Next, I created a mock-up frame to get a better sense of the space and how we would interact with it.
We use a carboard to make a model, so we know exactly where the things are, how high, how big they are, so we can make an adjustment. So this one is our kitchen bench top. So it's perfectly good height, around 900 square meter. On top is the carpet, so you can see it's quite a lot of space. And this part is the bedding area. It's a double bed size, and top of its carpet at the top. So it's a lot of space between the bed and the carpet, so we will not hit our head. Okay, this area is our sitting area. So the table can move around and falling apart, and toilets here.
And then we also got pull out toilet. Fit in there, and there'll be the battery box in there. Stop. So the kitchen, you see the kitchen bench top. So the cooktop will be here, sink here, in the bedroom area, a top cupboard here, another cupboard here. This is our main cupboard. And in the bedroom area, I've got other cupboards, top cupboards as well. And so I've made it so that I need to adjust the bed height so I get more clearance from my head if I sit up. So I'm going to lower the bed a little bit. It's another idea. That's another reason why you use the templates. Or it's another reason why you it's another reason why you use the mock-up, carboard mock-ups, so you can get a idea of heights and restricted areas. So I've also gone and have it made a door for the cupboards to see that I can get the right clearance on the main cupboard and the fridge. And the lagoon table, as I said, I made just so I can get around. I hope you enjoyed that. In the next video I will go through the application of the sound deadening. In the meantime, you can also watch our previous video of us picking up our van. Bye for now, and see you in the next one.